Hey guys, Zexus here, and today in this video we are going to install a script into our FiveM server through which we can carry our bicycle with our hands and take it to anywhere we want. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Okay, this is the GitHub page of our script. This script is from Kevin Griggers. I'll provide this script's link in the description below. You just need to click on code and download the script. After that, you just need to extract the file over here. After that, open the file and copy this file from here and paste it to our FiveM resource folder. You just need to go to files, resources, and I'll be pasting my script over this folder and paste. You just need to rename the folder and remove the main from the name. That's it. Now you just need to open the config file. This is the config file of our script, and this is the keybind through which we can carry our bicycle. You can change it to any key you want. I'll be putting it default, and in here you can add more bicycles if you like. I'll be putting it default. So let's start our server and see how this script is going to work. Okay, now we are in our server, and these are the bicycles which we can carry through this script. You just need to come close to the bicycle and you have to use your third eye muscle, and you can see there is an option called pickup. You just need to click over here, and as you can see, you can pick up the bicycle through this script, and even you can run by carrying this bicycle. If you want to drop your bicycle, you just need to press G as we set into our keybinds, and you can take it anywhere you want. You can see you can carry this bicycle as well, and you can carry it and take it anywhere you want. And if you want to drop, you just need to press G over here, just like this. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.